So this is my old monitor, the Dell Full HD. It's a nice monitor. I have been using it for the last 6 years for working and gaming purposes. But it's time to change because we have the new machine, and with a 4070 you can't have a Full HD monitor anymore. We have a guest here with us tonight. My sister is here and she's doing the unboxing. I guess you like it. Sofia Pires! She's quite embarrassed.
Hi!
Vai, desmancha aí.
Não podes falar português.
Posso.
This beautiful baby. Ai, ai.
So this is a big red monitor, and this means it was used before, or at least the box was opened. It had some kind of defect. It might be a dead pixel or some missing cable, so the whoever bought it first just returned it, and it went to factory. They solved the problem and got it back to the client. But sometimes it's not accepted because we have I think it's 15 days or 30 days to the factory to get the item back to the client, and when it does not happen, when they don't meet the schedule, the store is not allowed to sell the item as new anymore. So it's a big rate. It's bought from Global Data, which is I think it's a subsidiary of Case King. You might know Case King. It's an European big store. And yeah, it's an Aorus 27-inch monitor, Quad HD, and it has all the good stuff for working and gaming too. It's a 244 Hz monitor.
It's out, baby, it's out.
Yeah, finally. I guess we have to work a bit on our video skills, eh, sister?
Yes, I think so.
Woohoo! Okay, I'll help you out.
Yeah, please.
Um,
I'm gonna go to part.
you might want to start with a stand there.
This one?
Yeah. Just take it out.
It's heavy. Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's heavy?
No.
Don't put it on the floor, because the wood is quite, yeah. The wood is quite sensitive.
Next?
Yeah, you just
This
see. Mm-hmm.
Do you want to take it out of the plastic?
Yeah. You think you can do it?
Huh? Let's see. Aha. Let's see. I think so, yeah, it's not that heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Should I
Just
do
don't-
like this, right? Because you need to
Yes.
put the-
Yes, yeah. As long as it doesn't fall, it's okay.
No,
All good.
so good.
Just leave it like that for now.
Okay, come on.
So it's your first time building something right like this, right?
Yes.
I know it is.
Me.
Uh,
Look like a kid. Like this, right?
you have to see how it goes. Maybe check the manual. That's what I would do.
Where is the man?
That's something a lot of people do. They don't check the manual and then they do.
Okay, this is the big man. Okay.
Maybe that's the warranty, no?
It's multilingual. Okay.
Just follow step 1, then step 2.
Okay, this is all the steps. We are here now.
Yeah, baby's out of the box.
It's here.
Try to find the stand in the drawing.
Did I? It's here. But I don't know how to put this. And you don't have the parafusos?
The screws. The parafusos.
A little bit
Let's
more?
check if you can change this is the strength of the
Ah, okay, good. So yeah,
the
let's
tool.
put it
You can less, a bit less, yeah.
less. 8? Okay,
I think
let's do it.
it's good, yeah.
No, no more, no.
A little bit more.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Don't be afraid.
No more.
Yeah, let it go, let it go. Okay. You're so new at this.
Minha cara
Okay,
deve
so-
estar tipo.
It's assembled now, right?
This moves. It's
Yeah, it
moving.
does.
Look.
Yeah. So you can adjust.
Yeah, at your.
You can adjust the height and the rotation. I think it does 90 degrees. No, yeah, 90 degrees. One way or the other.
So yeah, I need to take the
And
old
it
one there.
swivels. Yeah, I do, but it's not me who is doing it.
Not me
You
too.
are.
No. How?
just have
There's
to-
so many cables there.
Just unlink the cables from behind the monitor.
Can I?
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, but
They are
you
here.
don't have the thing like.
You have to take them off here. Then take the monitor out. Just put it on the table, and we'll put a new one there.
Ai, mãe. Espero não fazer porcaria. Ok, tá aqui. E se eu viraste isso pouco assim?
But you can move the keyboard, yeah. Yeah.
É tirar tudo, né?
Mm-hmm.
Everything. Oh.
Yeah, you can take everything off. Maybe turn it off first. On the power button, the lower right side. Do you see the light there?
Here.
You have a button. No, the light on the monitor.
This is so fancy. I never saw something like this. Where is this?
I'll explain it later to you. Here, just turn it off
what?
here. Yeah.
Okay.
No, just touch there.
Oh my god.
Have you ever used the PC before?
No. This one. No. Yeah. Turn it off. So now I can take all the cables, right?
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna.
Just look behind it so you can see what you're doing. You can rotate it too, I think. Like this. If it lets you see better.
Okay. This one easy. This one I think you need to. I don't know what I'm doing.
I think you just have to.
This is okay.
You just have to pull it out.
Okay, then.
As to the comparison, then, do you think it's a lot bigger? Do you think it fits there?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger.
It's a little monster.
A little monster. Yeah, it seems like one is a toy one and the other is a real one. It's real, much bigger.
And you have a little plastic here too.
She's so happy peeling the plastics off.
Okay, let's keep
You can
this.
take it off. You can take it off.
Oh, it's okay.
No, take it off.
You want to take it off?
I don't, but you do so.
I think everyone likes to see this.
Cool kid.
Okay. Okay.
She's
We're going
happy
there.
now.
We are going there. Oh man, ainda vais ficar aqui com o lugar virado. Oh, but this one is harder.
Because it's at an
This
angle.
one is not. Okay.
Not so satisfying.
No.
So this will be full of lights here, and I think here, there, but I guess I'll have it off.
And you can change the color of the lights.
Yeah, you can. I think yeah. just try to rotate it and
So you said this one is 90, right? 90 degrees?
90 degrees, yeah. But
And this
that one doesn't rotate that way.
okay,
Doesn't
so
swivel.
this one is
That's called
loser.
swiveling. That one is a loser.
Wow.
Yeah.
This
That's
is
not very
tricky.
useful for me because the desk space is straight. So
Okay, but you can like.
I guess it's useful if you are in an
and you
office
can do like.
or another setup. Yeah.
You can like put it down or.
I think you can push it a bit down. Yeah.
Push it?
A bit, yeah, down.
Push is puxar em
Like-
português.
No.
Down?
It's yeah, down. No, it's not going.
No.
Let's try. Yeah,
Ah,
just like this.
okay.
Yeah, it's very simple.
Nice.
And
this
it
one?
also,
Okay.
what you were saying, it's swiveling. I think it goes like this, you know?
Wow.
See?
Ooh.
It might be useful if you want to, like Windows allows you to put a vertical workspace. So you can change that. I have to try it out. Never tried it, as the other monitor doesn't do that. Okay, so let's put it in place.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so put it back to normal.
Okay. Easy part.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to put there.
Did you saw how I?
You hold it.
Yeah. Just do the same thing. I'll just check if the
Here.
desk is.
Here.
Just one hand here, I think, and another one like here or. No, not there.
No?
Yeah. Just use the stand, yeah. Use only
Sure.
the stand. Swap places now because my sister is almost asleep, so she's behind the camera laughing.
True.
We'll just finalize the setup of the monitor here. Then we'll do the display port. This is does almost the same thing as the HDMI, but it has higher standards. If you want to use the higher refresh rate of the monitor, you have to use this one. It's a 1.4 standard. Yeah.
How many more? How many cables you have?
It's just one more
Okay.
for the USBs on the monitor, so you can link like phones and stuff if you want to charge or even keyboards or anything you want to link to the USBs. Last one, it's the USB one, as we were saying. This is a pretty standard one. I don't have anything to say about it other than it allows you to link stuff to connect stuff to your screen. Okay, so let's try to put it a bit back. Okay, just like this for now. And then we'll when we change the case to the ground, just tweak it up a bit after. Yeah. Okay. No, I think it's turned off. No, not yet. Just keep going. This is the power button, right? No? Should be here. Where's the power button?
Yeah, good question.
I thought it was here. Can you check the manual?
Just a second. Go.
Oh, it's not connected. Yeah. Common mistake.
Wow. Excited or not yet?
Not yet. I need to see it running.
Almost there.
It's this is the type of screen. This IPS here, and the colors are better, and response times but the contrast is not very good.
Ooh, so bright.
Yeah, a bit.
Wow.
I might have to calibrate it. I don't know how to do that, because the other monitor was a professional one, so it came calibrated from factory, and this doesn't. It's very saturated color, the color.
Yeah. I can see it.
Okay, 60 Hertz. We'll change the refresh rate to 144. Okay.
Ooh.
Yes. And we want to change brightness. How do you do that? Oh, this is in German.
Yeah.
Huh. That's cool. I don't know what this means.
Oh, you got
Oh,
something.
okay. This is sRGB. I think this is the one we want to use.
It's better.
And I don't think this is doing anything. Display ports. RGB equalizer, black equalizer. Oops. Guess I'll have to read the manual. See you guys. Till next time. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.